Think you need 6 months to master DSA? Not necessarily. Hi, I'm Nishita and you're watching GeeksforGeeks, your one-stop solution for all coding-related problems. And if you're preparing for interviews, placements or internships and can dedicate 4 to 6 hours a day for training, here's a 30-day roadmap to build strong fundamentals and crack interview-level questions. Let's break it down. Firstly, you don't need to directly jump into hard questions. For the first week, start with the basics. Learn time and space complexity, array, string, basic maths, recursion, and hashing. Your daily goal should be about 1 hour of learning concepts and 3 to 4 hours of problem solving. Aim for 8 to 10 questions every day, starting with easy and gradually moving to medium. By end of week 1, you should be comfortable in identifying which data structure fits the problem. Now it's time to level up. In week 2, you should cover linked list, stack, queue, binary search, two-pointer, and sliding window. These coding patterns appear in every interview. Don't just solve the question. After every question, ask yourself, can I solve this problem in a better way? Your target is 6 to 8 medium problems daily and revising every mistake you made the previous day. And this is the time where most students struggle. Week 3. This is where you should focus on binary tree, binary search tree, heap, graph traversals, BFS and DFS, backtracking, and dynamic programming. You must ensure you don't memorize the solution, you understand the pattern behind it. 1 DB pattern learned properly has more value than 20 random questions. Week 4 is when you stop learning new topics and start preparing like you're in an interview. Every day you must solve 2 to 3 time mock interviews, solve easy, medium, and hard questions all mixed up, revisit every mistake, and explain your solution out loud like you're talking to an interviewer. This builds communication and problem-solving skills. Also ensure to revise frequently asked company questions and your previous mistakes. If you want resources that you can use to learn DSA, practice DSA, or get end-to-end placement preparation with core subjects and CS included, we'll link all 3 in the description. The schedule to your daily routine is pretty simple. You spend 1 hour understanding the concept, you spend 3 to 4 hours solving questions of that concept, you spend 1 hour revising what you learned yesterday, and 30 minutes analyzing your mistakes and working to make them better. Consistency will always beat marathon study sessions. Here are some final tips before we end this video. Firstly, don't jump between multiple DSA sheets. Secondly, focus on understanding the patterns of the problems instead of memorizing the answer. Thirdly, resolve questions after every 3 to 4 days. Fourthly, if you're stuck on any question over 30 minutes, learn the approach and then code it yourself. And last but not the least, quality matters more than 500 random questions. Remember, 30 days won't make you a DSA expert, but if you follow this roadmap with discipline, you'll build a strong foundation and you'll be well on your way to cracking coding interviews. And before we end this video, we just have one note for you. If you're the kind of person who needs guidance at every step, needs somebody to teach you DSA from scratch, help you practice company-level problems and questions and make your interview ready, get you to a level where you're able to sit in interviews for the best companies, then we have something just for you. It's called Placement 360, where you're going to learn from no other than our OG of DSA, which is Sandeep Jain sir, who's going to teach you everything about DSA, and then you're going to learn basic level system design also, which is low level system design, and you'll be acing all your interviews in no time. If this is something that you need, you can find the link of the same in description. Let us know in the comments how many DSA questions you've solved and what you'd like for us to cover in our next video. Till then, I'll see you later.